Since 2018, PNP has been the guiding light for innovators facing impossible deadlines and towering challenges. We've helped countless individuals, students, businesses, institutions, and companies not just survive, but excel in their studies and endeavors. Whether you're crafting a peer-review-ready thesis, designing patent-grade prototypes in SolidWorks and AutoCAD, or building robust architectures with custom code in MATLAB, Python, or C++, our multidisciplinary team is by your side. We bring your ideas to life through advanced R&D, cutting-edge simulations and stress analysis, immersive 3D modeling and animation, and end-to-end product development. Need a polished business plan that secures funding? A detailed market analysis that wins boardroom approval? Or an interactive demo that wows investors at your next pitch? From strategic research and data-driven insights to sleek video presentations and immersive VR walkthroughs, PNP delivers excellence with speed, precision, and unwavering reliability. Our global community, from Berlin tech startups and Tokyo PhD candidates to undergraduates in Lagos, trusts us to turn what if into what's next. We accept cryptocurrency and traditional payments, guarantee confidentiality, and deliver on time every time. Ready to transform your ambitions into breakthroughs? Reach out to PNP today, because innovation waits for no one. Your next success story starts here.